Hello friends, today's our topic how to use circular pattern in SolidWorks. Let's start. Firstly select a plane, just draw a circle, 150, extrude, 12 mm. Okay. Now draw a PCD, go to sketch and draw a circle, let's dimension it, 0, okay, draw a circle, millimeter, click OK, go to feature and extrude cut through one, okay. Now you can see our first hole is created. Let's pattern this hole on a circular manner. Okay, let's select the axis first. So this is our axis. Okay, now go to circular pattern. Firstly is asking the parameter pattern axis. Go to axis and select the axis. Okay, now how many number of instance? Let's take it 6. Equal spacing, then every angle will be 60°. Okay, features to be pattern, go to this and select the cut extrude which we create earlier, cut extrude and click OK. Now you can see our circular pattern command is complete. But when you want to change the number of and change the angle, you can change here. Go to circular pattern, right click and edit feature, number of holes you take 8 and go OK. So you can see our circular pattern command is complete. Okay, thank you.